Nagorno-Karabakh Artsakh can still hear artillery and rocket shells. Is fighting between the Armenian and Azerbaijani armed forces has not stopped. In the past day, a number of Armenian soldiers were reportedly killed. Meanwhile, a number of Armenian military artillery was also destroyed. According to a report cited by Viva Military from the official website of the Azerbaijan Ministry of Defense, the fighting was still ongoing from Tuesday, November 3, 2020 to Wednesday, November 4, 2020 night. The Armenian authorities claim that their troops managed to kill the Armenian army in massive numbers. Not only that, a number of Armenian military artillery pieces were also destroyed by the attack launched by the Azerbaijan forces on the 5 battlefronts of Nagorno-Karabakh. Until this news was published, the Azerbaijan government had not released data on the casualties of the Armenian soldiers who were killed in the attack. The Azerbaijan Ministry of Defense only released data on the losses of the Armenian military combat equipment. During the day of November 3 and the evening of November 4, the Armenian armed forces opened fire on the positions of units of the Azerbaijan army from different directions in front of the civilian settlement. "We use various small arms, howitzers and mortars," said the statement of the Azerbaijan Ministry of Defense. Combat operations continued, mainly towards Agdera, Kojavand, Zangilin and Gubadli. During the day and night, a large number of enemy troops, 4 BM-21 Grad MLRS units, 1 KUB air defense missile system, 9 types of howitzers and 2 trucks loaded with ammunition, were destroyed, the statement continued. Apart from that, the Azerbaijan military forces managed to knock out 2 units of the Armenian military drones. 2 Armenian military drones were shot down using Russian-made S-300 air defense system missiles.